You all, we have a new toy here. Our new toy is called, let me let you see it. It's called the Big Boss Oilless Fryer. Now this air fryer is incredible. I am not a sponsor. I'm just a home cook sharing some good information. Look at this barbecue chicken we just made. Now, if you want to make some barbecue chicken with your air fryer, here's the air fryer, you all. It is incredible. Just took it out and plated it for you. Come on and see how easy this was. It didn't take long at all. Ready? Come on. Let's cook with ease. All right, you all, I am ready. Here we have our drumsticks, and I've had them marinating in this over here, which is, I found this at the Dollar Tree, and it's really delicious on everything you want to barbecue. We have our barbecue sauce, some oil, liquid smoke, garlic powder. This is a bacon season. Give it a little extra smoke, and garlic powder. Now in this air fryer, which I am loving, you all, I put on the bottom some parchment paper, and I sprayed the bottom with some oil just so it won't be as messy as it usually is. Now what I'm going to do right now, because I'm new at this, I'm going to score the chicken legs, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to just cut the chicken. Before I cook it. This is optional, but I've seen this done, and it really makes a difference when preparing the chicken. I've never done this until I started watching YouTube, and I saw different cultures doing this, so I started doing it, and it makes it really good. Okay, now I'm going to place it in a basket with the cut side up. Y'all, I hope this turns out. I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm doing this as a first time with my friends, so we can see how this turns out. I'm thinking don't want to overload it. All right, next step. Take a look at this. All right, so we're ready to start cooking it. Stand by. Okay, as you can see, it's about 12:15. I'm going to put the lid on, which is really cool. Let me show you what this looks like at the top. Now I'm going to see where it says chicken 375. I'm going to put it on 375, and it says 35 minutes. So I'm going to put it at 35 minutes. You see it's about 12:16. There we go. Isn't this awesome, you guys? Look at that. So we're going to come back and we're going to see what our chicken looks like. Now, one reason I really love this is because you can see it. In most air fryers, you don't get to see it. So I'll be back, and I'm going to come back and let you see what it looks like as it's cooking, okay? All right, stand by. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes in, and I wanted to show you how the chicken is browning. You all, if you could smell this right now, look at that. I really think I'm gonna like this. You can see how, look at the juices falling on the bottom. Oh, by the way, you all, I had to switch out the taller grate and put the smaller one in there because it just started browning so fast. Look at that. Okay, now in about maybe 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it over and let the other side get crispy. All right, stand by. You all, look at how brown this chicken has gotten. Look at that. It looks crispy. It looks beautiful. Wow. Now I keep checking back so you can see what I'm seeing, the different stages of it cooking. That's why I really like this see-through clear air fryer, so you can really see if your food is doing what you want. Now that's one reason why I didn't get one, because I was a little uncomfortable seeing it, but we only have a few more minutes to go. I'm going to take it out and put barbecue sauce on it, and then I'm going to put it back in here. All right, stand by. Okay, the timer just went off. I want you to take a look at this. Boy, if you could smell this. It's crispy. Wow, well, take a look at that. Look how brown it is. It's beautiful. Look at that. Now I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on here, and I'm going to put it back in here. I'll be right back. This is the type of barbecue sauce that I'm going to use. It's called Smoky Apple. Look how brown this is. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's so hot. All right, let me put this barbecue sauce on here. I think this is going to be a really good purchase, you all. I really like it. Didn't take much work at all. Okay, I'm gonna get this on all the sides, and then I'm going to show you what's next. Stay tuned. Okay, look, everything is coated and it's ready to brown. I'm first going to test it for, let me see, 5 minutes and see what happens. 5, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, stand by. Now look at it with the barbecue sauce on it. Y'all, I'm about to send you all some of this air fried barbecue chicken. You all, it smells so good in here. Look at that. I guess I'm just floored because of how beautiful it's turning out. Okay, the next presentation will be plated for you. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I love you all dearly. We are family. You are my cookies, and I cannot wait to do another video for you. Thanks for hanging in there with me, you guys. Peace and love. Okay, guys, I wanted to cut this so you could see. Look how juicy this is. Look at this, you all. It's so It's done. Look, it's juicy. I love it.